looking at today, we are going to take a quick look at a true prototype. I literally have to get the specs while we're doing this. I do know the length, I do know the handle length, I know the overall length, things like that, but I don't have any other specs. So you guys know what time it is. If you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Like I said, guys, Chris sent this directly to me. It's a prototype. I keep missing the aperture on this. This is a nice knife. Chris has come up with several really good designs, and he puts a lot of thought into them. So this is a really nice knife. I don't have a lot of specs or anything because, like I said, it has not been released yet. I did get overall length, blade length, handle length because he sent me a 2D render, and I had to convert it from millimeters. So we're going to take a quick look at it so I can get this sharpened and sent back off to someone else for review. So let's not waste any more time. Let's turn this around and take a quick look at this actual prototype from above. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Guys, this is the Satyr by Chris over at Cerberus Knives. It's another one of his designs. You guys remember he had the Aryan. This is also being done by Artisan. This is a nice little folding knife. So I do have some specs. I got them from both Chris and we're going to look at them as we do it. So this is overall length on this, 7.7 inches. So that is in blade length. You're looking at a 3.37 inch blade that is done in 20 CV. It's drop point, flat grind. I missed the flipper aperture with a stone wash. This is a very attractive blade. So let's go ahead and we'll get some blade stock thickness on this. Blade stock thickness on this. 0.12 looks like we're coming in at 0.1285. Let's look at some behind the edge thickness on this. I don't think it's gonna, probably gonna come in just about 0.03. Yeah, 0.03 if I can get right behind the edge. 0.034, not super thin behind the edge, but it's also in that Goldilocks zone where you're going to have an edge that holds really well. Handle length on this, 4.33 inches. It's done in titanium that's been micro milled. Let me zoom you in on that so you can see that. That is really attractive. So you've got this nice bead blasted, then stone washed finish here, then the micro milling, which gives you some texture. It does run on ceramic bearings. And it is a frame lock with a titanium pocket clip. Now the pocket clip on this rattles a little bit. That's one of the only things I've really noticed. The pocket clip is great in and out of pocket. It's comfortable. It's not a hot spot at all. I've been messing around with this for a couple days now just to kind of get a feel for it. Didn't do a first impressions because I'm not going to have time to do like my typical 3 videos. Unbox, then first impressions, then review. I don't have time for that because this does need to go out to someone else. So action on this thing is snappy. It's not quite drop shut, but the action is free and smooth. It is really buttery. I imagine if I take this apart and clean it a little bit, and I have to because I'm going to sharpen this here in a little bit, this is going to free up a little bit. I haven't oiled this or anything. It's just basically the way it came from Chris. In hand, really nice. You've got a little area here where you can get up on it. The handles feel great in hand. You can get up on it like this in a pinch grip, use it like that, and the flipper aperture on it, which is the only way to deploy it, is great. It is just about in the perfect position for me to get in on it. I've missed it a couple times, but that's because it's my fault. But you can get in on it and just really pop it. I was intentionally missing it there. Nice back spacer on this, clean lines. 2 little things I don't like. I wish that this hardware was a little bit more recessed and didn't stick up. I wish they kind of followed that line. I mean, but if they just recessed those a little bit, but that is getting pretty thin there. So that's the only thing it kind of just detracts from that clean line, the way it feels with that hardware sticking up a little bit. And then I wish that now Chris already told me that there's going to be a change in this. This is a lot like the Great White I have in my pocket specifically to show. You don't have much in the way of access to the lock bar. And it kind of makes it a little problematic if you've got big hands, because it's not a real big knife. But overall, this is a great knife. I love the action, beautiful blade shape. I haven't done much cutting with it because it does need sharpened. You can see the edge is pretty wrecked on it. But it does need sharpened, but I think the way it has cut so far is indicative of it being a very good cutter. And it's really an attractive, nice clean lines on it. So I'm going to get this sharpened up. I'll do a little bit of cutting with it. But overall, great looking knife. I can't wait to see the production ones come out. And it's in 20 CV, which is going to be a steel that's going to hold up really well. You got Chris's logo there, you can see. So this is a prototype in 20 CV with the Cerberus Knives logo, done by Artisan. So once again, Chris, another really good design. I like Chris. He's a good guy. He's really his business is really taken off, and I'm happy for him. So guys, there you go. The Cerberus Knives Satyr by Artisan. Let's turn this around, do some final thoughts. Like I said, guys, great little knife. I can't wait for this to come out. The micro milling on this is great. It gives it a texture and a feel and a little bit of grip, but it's also striking to look at. So not to make it take any longer, the only thing I really have a problem with is I wish there was a little bit more room for me to get a hold of that actuator, or not actuator, lock bar to drop it. So that's the only thing. And the pocket clip's a little loose, but I think that could just be a little sprung. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. You got to tell me why, though, because I can't change the content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as, like I say, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. And if you want to share videos with people that you think would enjoy them, Jared's been doing that with my videos. I've been doing that with Cole's videos. It has been awesome. It really has helped push my content up. That's one of the best things you could do. Other ways you can do it, though, if you want to do it financially, I have a membership link down in the description. All these items actually are in the description. Memberships get you sometimes early access to videos, exclusive content based on tier. You have access to my Gilded server, which is a lot like Discord, and you save $5 per knife on the sharpening service. And if you're a premium tier member, you get a sharpening tutorial series. Other ways you can do it, I have a bunch of affiliate links where you can purchase things like Artisan knives and things like that, and I get a little bit of the money at checkout, and it doesn't cost you anything. And the final way is I do have a merchandise store on Ember Shirt Co. I've set up a coupon code anywhere on Ember Shirt Co. that saves you 10% at checkout. That coupon code is CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, one word. And if you send me pictures of you wearing my merchandise, I will put them in the videos. So guys, that's it on this one. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comment section. It helps me moderate the channel. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.